Greetings, artists, and you color fun enthusiasts. Today, we'll immerse ourselves in the captivating world of the series, El Asombroso Circo Digital, focusing on the enigmatic Kaufmo, the central protagonist. But before we embark on this exciting, creative journey, remember to click the subscribe button, activate the notification bell to catch every detail, and leave that cherished like to support the channel. Additionally, your comments are the engine that drives the magic of our vibrant community, so feel free to share your thoughts and theories. Now, let's delve into the fascinating story of Kaufmo in El Asombroso Circo Digital. This peculiar clown, portrayed by the incredible voices of Wizard Wiz and Jack Black, takes us on a journey filled with laughter, mysteries, and abstraction. His colorful appearance and distinctive birthday hat transport us to his days as a simple circus clown. However, the mystery unfolds when Kaufmo undergoes a unique transformation, becoming the first character to be abstracted before our eyes. His jokes, once aimed at eliciting smiles, now leave us with intriguing questions. What is the meaning behind his obsessive drawings and his constant quest for an exit? What secrets does he hide in his room? As an artist of You Color Fun, would you dare to explore the facets of Kaufmo in your own creations? We can breathe life into this character from a unique perspective, adding that feminine and creative touch that characterizes You Color Fun. This video gives us the opportunity to share our artistic interpretations of Kaufmo. Would you like to see a female version of the character or explore new dimensions in his story? Let me know your ideas in the comments. I appreciate all the loyal followers of Toy Choo Chi Toon for being part of this exciting adventure. Each subscription, like, and comment is like a brushstroke that brings our channel to life. As I always say, this is just the beginning of a journey full of creativity and magic.